Sanibonani bafethu. Ngike ngaposta la izolo mayelana ne-issue engicabanga ukuthi yona issue ethanda uba nkulu at the moment nasey'ndabeni nakuphi i-issue yobugebengu obudlangile eThekwini. And I'm glad ukuthi abantu bafika kwi-conclusion yokuthi this is a societal problem. Ayikho i-issue vele eyibe khona nje ngale kwama-roots akhona ngale kuy'impande zakhona. So bakhona abantu ababala ukuthi inkinga esuka kubazali vele uma kunabazali abangafundisekanga kwabona, uyabona ekukhuleni kwabo i-father figure, i-mother figure, akekho umuntu oke wathi lokhu wrong, lokhu right, lokhu akufanele kwenze kanje with i-discipline, lokhu kumele wenze kanje. Vele what are you going to transfer to your kids? Yabona ngoba nawe usadinga ukufundiswa, uyayibona zona izinto but you don't have ama-skills and capacity ukuthi ungaletha umuntu emhlabeni and be able ukuthi lo muntu umtraine abe umuntu alright for the society. So kuvele nanokuthi izinto ezenzeka kakhulu kuma-cities, and I agree with that. Izinto ezenzeka kakhulu kuma-cities because that is where the glittering life is, yabo. So lezi iy'ngane ziyabona ukuthi hawu impilo iyaqhubeka lapha and ziyezwa nasey'ndabeni kukhulunywa ngobugebengu, abantu abaphumelelayo ubugebengu, because it seems like the only thing in South Africa that makes a person to be successful. Mhlawumbe kukhona okunye mhlawumbe aba-successful ngendlela e-right abaveli asibaboni, yabo, they are undershadowed. But into evelayo abantu who are doing a crime politically, abantu who are doing a crime and they are getting away with it. So ney'ngane zithi mazibuka ziyibona lento ukuthi okay, anyways kubuka ngazuthi i-crime does pay, uyabona. Ama-role models in our societies, in our communities, amalokishini esisuka kuwona, impilo fast, laba iy'ngane y'bukela kubo yibo laba impela abangasisona isibonelo esihle. But I agree, iqala ekhaya indaba, iqala ekhaya, iqala kumzali, kube umzali okuyena okukhava ingane yakhe for the society ukuze mayisifika phambili kube iyona ekwazi ukudecide ngama-skills nama-qualities umzali ayifundise wona as eyizala as eyikhulisa, yabona. So angazi ukuthi uhulumeni wethu angengelela kanjani in this case, because it really seems like into concern kakhulu, because asizukuba nayo intsha in the next 10, 15 years, 20 years. Yiyo le genge efayo le ufanele ibe ubaba bakusasa, yiyo le genge efayo le fanele ibe abaholi bakusasa, yiyo le genge efayo le fanele ibe ama-politicians akusasa, kufanele ibe ama-managers akusasa, kufanele ibe abasebenzi even eNingizimu Afrika nje iyonkana, uyabona. So if kufa le genge ezayo sizosala nani? Umbuzo wami lo, sizosala nani? Because it seems like bayafa bafethu. That's the truth of the matter. They are dying. They are dying. And thina sofikelwa isikhathi la khona okufanele nathi sidlule emhlabeni, but sidlula sishiye ubani uma igenge encane kunathi ibulawa kangaka ngebhamu, nayo ibulala yazi ukuthi ukuze kwazi ukuphila fanele ibulale, funa ichithe igazi. What kind of mentality is that? Yabona. So I guess sizame mhlawumbe, angazi, I don't know if it's possible, but ake siqale kwi-root yayo yonke into ekhaya ufundiswana. Uthini umzali wakho uma uyeka isikole? Uthini umzali wakho uma ungabuye ekhaya ungalala ekhaya? Uthini umzali wakho uma uphethe ifoni angayazi ukuthi iqhamukephi? Uthini umzali wakho uma ugqoka impahla angazazi ukuthi zisuka kuphi? Uthini umzali wakho mayibona zonke lezo? Uthini umzali wakho makuzi report yokuqala ukuthi ugqekezeka bani, wantshontsha bani, wenzani nangalo process? Ngeke ngabona nami ngikhule ekhaya ecishe libe kanjalo, yabo. Kagogo la ngisuka khona. So whereby uthola ukuthi abazali even they deny, uthola ukuthi uzoba nomuntu omphakathini ozobika, hey ubani senze ukuthi umzali ulideny on your behalf, ingane yami ngeke izikwenza ukuthi. So it always starts back ekhaya ukuthi wenza izinto umzali angakwazi ukudisciplina, but also i-society ophila ngaphansi kwayo iyona ina contribution yini ekuphileni kwakho, uyabona. So iyakhamupha umthelela empilweni yengane before singaqale siyibukele lapho ukuthi ubugebengu sebula, but kwenzakalani kuma-roots empilo. So angazi bafethu, angazi mina whether we will have ama-solution, but I believe ukuthi bayebethi ayike ehlula amadoda ke ibisibikwa, angazi ukuthi ibikelwa kubani, but ehlula amadoda kusho ukuthi kuba yinto ngampela esuke ilikhuni. Kodwa I believe this thing iyadinga ukuthi zonke inhlaka zomphakathi abazali bahlaliswe phansi kuboniswana, because hayi ngoba lezi ngane zi not manageable, zi manageable, just that i-mentality ezinayo ekhanda nento ezi-influence ngayo zona zodwa ithi siyaphambili, forward ever and backward never. That is why ziba nesiqubulo esithi iwest ayilahlani, yabona, because i-influence abayinikeza yona lesibinjanyana banaso abayinikeza sona ukuthi they can do anything. So why then umphakathi ungangeneleli? Why zonke inhlaka zomphakathi zingangeneleli ekusolveni le issue? Because it seems like it's gonna be an issue for the longest of time, because uzoyithola eCape Town, uzoyithola eThekwini, uzoyithola eMpumalanga, uzoyithola ePretoria. So it's gonna be in all the cities, because that is where all the action is happening from. Yabo. So bafethu ngiyabonga kakhulu, thank you for my comments, but ake siyibuke ngelinye ihlo. Mina ngisasho namanje, yes khona it might seem like a solution ukuba eliminate, but it's not the appropriate solution. Ukuthi iyona nto esinayo at the moment, it seems like it's the only thing that is working, because they are decreasing in numbers, but it's a painful solution that we have decided ukuthi sizoyithatha siyisebenzise as a country, but akusiyona an appropriate solution to i-root cause yayo yonke lento. Thank you bafethu.